Welcome to our channel. If you want to update your Roku firmware for improved performance and new features, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your Roku device and your TV, then navigate to the home screen by pressing the home button on your Roku remote. Step 2. Scroll down to Settings at the bottom of the home screen and select it by pressing the OK button on your remote. Step 3. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select System to access system-related settings and options. Step 4. Select System Update from the System menu to check for available firmware updates for your device. Step 5. Choose Check Now to manually search for the latest firmware version available from Roku servers. Step 6. If an update is available, select Update Now to begin downloading and installing the new firmware on your Roku device. Step 7. Wait patiently while your Roku downloads and installs the update, which may take several minutes and will restart your device automatically. Step 8. After the restart, verify the firmware version by going back to Settings, System, then About to confirm the update was successful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.